Watercress is an aquatic flowering plant in the cabbage and mustard family. Its peppery taste makes it similar to radish or wasabi and a great additive to soups and salads. However, in natural systems, due to the fast-growing and aggressive reproduction rate, it's considered highly invasive in many areas. It grows best in shallow-moving water and in soil with a slightly alkaline chemical structure. Just like all cruciferous vegetables, the T or cross-shaped leaves get their name from the Christian religious symbol of the crucifix. Despite the scientific genus of Nasturium, watercress is morphologically closer to cresses and mustards than it is to traditional Nasturium flowers commonly grown in ornamental gardens. Its leaf structure has compound pinnate leaves resembling a feather with 3 to 9 leaflets upon hollow stems. The flowers, like all brassicas, have 4 usually white or yellow petals that produce many seeds. Traditionally, watercress has been used by cultures all over Europe and Asia, with the Romans believing it could cure mental disorders, treat fever, and even act as an aphrodisiac. Today, the demand for watercress exceeds supply as, due to its 2 to 3 day fresh shelf life, hydroponic cultivation is the preferred method. Just a 100 gram serving contains 52% of the daily value of vitamin C and 238% of the daily vitamin K. While being 95% water overall, watercress contains 7 different vitamins and minerals as well as a decent amount of protein. So, the next time you're in the grocery store, keep an eye out for this interesting plant. Thanks, and have a great rest of the day.